Adani Energy Solutions Limited Q3 FY26 results, record EBITDA, strong execution momentum. Adani Energy Solutions Limited reported a strong operational performance in Q3 FY26, reflecting consistent execution across its core businesses of transmission, distribution, and smart metering. The company continued to scale up its asset base while maintaining healthy profitability metrics, even in a challenging operating environment. During the quarter, total income rose to 6,945 crore rupees, marking a growth of nearly 16% year-on-year. This growth was supported by higher service concession income, new transmission assets becoming operational, and steady performance across distribution and smart metering segments. Revenue visibility remains strong due to long-term contracts and regulated returns. EBITDA for the quarter touched an all-time high of 2,210 crore rupees, growing over 20% year-on-year. This expansion highlights operating leverage from commissioned projects, better cost control, and rising contribution from high-margin transmission and smart metering businesses. EBITDA margins remained healthy, reinforcing the quality of earnings. Reported PAT for the quarter stood at 574 crore rupees. While this appears lower on a year-on-year basis, it is important to note that the previous year included a one-time deferred tax benefit. On a like-for-like basis, adjusted PAT grew by over 30%, clearly reflecting underlying earnings strength. For the first 9 months of FY26, the company delivered equally strong numbers. Total income crossed 20,700 crore rupees, while EBITDA rose to 6,354 crore rupees, both registering double-digit growth. Adjusted PAT for the 9-month period increased by more than 34%, supported by strong operating performance and disciplined capital management. Transmission remains the backbone of Adani Energy Solutions business. The transmission network expanded significantly, with system availability maintained at nearly 99.7%, reflecting strong operational reliability. Several key projects were commissioned during the year, adding to revenue stability and long-term cash flows. The distribution business continued to deliver stable performance, with industry-leading supply reliability and improving loss metrics. While unit sales were relatively stable, operational efficiency and asset base expansion supported earnings consistency. Smart metering emerged as a major growth driver. During the 9-month period, the company installed over 61 lakh new smart meters, taking cumulative installations to 92.5 lakh meters. With the current execution pace, the company is on track to cross the milestone of 1 crore meters, strengthening future annuity-style revenues. Capital expenditure execution remains strong, with 9,294 crore रुपए deployed during the first 9 months of FY26. This reflects management's confidence in long-term demand and its ability to convert project wins into operational assets. The transmission project pipeline and smart metering order book together provide strong earnings visibility over the coming years. Balance sheet strength also improved, supported by stable cash profits and disciplined funding. Credit metrics remained comfortable, helping the company sustain its growth plans without undue financial stress. From a strategic perspective, Adani Energy Solutions continues to benefit from India's expanding power infrastructure needs, grid modernization, renewable integration, and digital metering rollout. Its diversified presence across regulated and long-term contract businesses reduces volatility and enhances earnings predictability. In summary, Q3 FY26 reinforces Adani Energy Solutions' position as a leading power infrastructure platform in India. With record EBITDA, strong adjusted profit growth, expanding asset base, and a robust execution pipeline, the company appears well positioned to sustain long-term growth while maintaining financial discipline. The stock market moves fast, and missing one update can cost you. To stay ahead with the latest company news, quarterly results, and order wins, hit that subscribe button now. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a market beat.